Hi guys, this is Shubham Gupta welcomes you on the YouTube channel Youth Transform. In this video, I will show you how to make a robot which can be controlled by Android application. For making robot, we required Arduino which is open source, motor driver, 2BO motor and very important Bluetooth module SC05. If you want to purchase Arduino, the link is given below. This is the circuit diagram, shows the connection for Arduino with motor driver with motors, and very important, Bluetooth module has to be connected with Arduino very carefully. This is the circuit diagram in which from Arduino 5V and ground has to be connected to the power supply of breadboard. Like 5V has to be connected to positive and ground has to be connected to negative. From Arduino, there are 2, 3, 4 and 5. These 4 pins has to be connected on the motor driver. You can connect these 4 pins on any of the motor driver which you want to, as I have used L29 3D motor driver. From motor driver, 2 pins has to be connected on left motor and 2 pins has to be connected on right motor. After the connection of Arduino, motor driver and power supply has been done, we move on to the connection of Bluetooth module SC05. As you can see, there are 4 pins in the Bluetooth module: TX, RX, VCC, ground, key and state. From this 6 pin, key and state pin will be disconnected. We will only use these 4 pins: TX, RX, VCC and ground. TX of the Bluetooth has to be connected on the RX of Arduino. Similarly, RX of the Bluetooth module has to be connected on TX of Arduino. And VCC and ground has to be connected on the power supply, which is breadboard, as VCC has to be connected on positive and ground has to be connected on negative. As shown in the diagram, similar connection has to be done. You can also download the circuit diagram from the given link below. After the connection is completed, the Arduino code has to be uploaded in an Arduino microcontroller. This is the Arduino code. This is the include software serial key, which is header file which we have to use in this program for the communication. Software serial 0,1. This is the RSTX pin of this Arduino, which one is RX and one is TX. Like 0 is for TX and 1 is for RX, which we have to define in this program. Second, we will use void setup, in which we will define 4 pins of our motor driver. From here, the main body of the program will start. Void loop. In void loop, we will define some of the conditions, as if the robot will get the instruction of forward, it will move in forward direction. Similarly, if robot will give the instruction of reverse, it will move in reverse direction. If the robot will get the instruction of moving right, so he will move in right direction. Similarly for left, similarly for right 90, similarly for left 90. And if you want to stop the robot, you can press the stop key. Here are some more conditions as buzzer. I have put a buzzer on in my robot: red light, green light and blue light. Pin of buzzer I have connected to the pin 9. For the red light I have used pin 13. For green light I have used pin 3 and for blue light I have used pin 10. If you want to use all these conditions, you can use, otherwise they are not necessary. Remember, when the program is uploading on Arduino microcontroller, Bluetooth module has to be disconnected. When uploading is done, you can connect Bluetooth module. Code can also be downloaded from the given link below. To watch how robot is controlled with Android application, you can watch second video, and you can also download our Android application from the Play Store as PrinRobo or from the link given below. Thanks for watching guys, and if the video was helpful, please thumbs up and subscribe.